What we do know is a 4-day pause that could be extended if additional hostages get freed from Gaza. I think about 10 a day. So you could be talking about several days, presumably up to a week of a pause in fighting. That would be the first pause since this conflict broke out October 7th when Hamas sent its forces into Israel.
Are we close to some sort of ceasefire? Can we even call it that at this point?
In terms of whether the conflict itself is over, the Israeli government swatted that down rather quickly. They said that from their point of view, this is not a ceasefire, it's a pause, that the war will continue and that they will continue to go after Hamas's leadership for those October 7th attacks. So it doesn't sound like a permanent ceasefire, at least at this point, but it certainly gives negotiators time to continue talking and work out a different deal, perhaps a longer deal. And it also just allows a pause in the fighting to allow, much-needed aid to get into that territory.